Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to export an Adobe After Effects video. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the menu right here that you're going to go and see where we can get started creating a new composition. So as you can see in this menu we can select our quality of the video and so on, everything you need, and after you're satisfied just click OK and you can get started creating your project right here and your new composition. So let's go ahead and see how to export anything that we have created right here and choose our quality. Basically what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click the file option. And after clicking the file option, it's going to open up this new drop down menu of all the options that we can access, and as you can see one of them is called export. So now after putting our mouse on export we can see we have multiple options such as adding to Adobe Media Encoder queue and so on. Basically what we want to do is to add to render queue. So after clicking add to render queue, as you can see this is now going to put our render right here. Here is our composition 2 that is ready for rendering, where we can go ahead and select what kind of settings we want, the best render settings we can choose, we can select what kind of quality for the output module and so on. And after you're satisfied you can go ahead and get started with rendering by clicking the render button right here, and you can get started with exporting your file. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.